Hello boys and girls. This week we've been doing lots about doubling numbers, but for today we're going to be thinking about halving numbers. Here we've got two parrots. One parrot is called Jenny and one parrot is called Penny, and they love collecting fruit. The good thing about Jenny and Penny is that they like to share with each other. So they like to be fair and equal. So we're going to be thinking about fruit that they collect and how they can share it between the two of them fairly and equally. So here they are again. Here's Penny and Jenny, and like I said, they like to be fair and take half of the fruit each, so that means that each of them have exactly the same amount on pieces of fruit. Today, Penny and Jenny, they have collected 4 apples, but how can they find half of 4? How can they make sure they have the same amount of apples each? I'm going to click here to see how we can sort this out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do they have each? Will we count? 1, 2, 1, 2. There are 2 halves and Jenny and Penny each have 1 half. They have 2 apples each, which means 2 is half of 4. There we go. Let's see if we can try another one. Now Jenny and Penny need a little bit of help with this. They want to make sure that they can have equal amounts of pears each. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pears. I wonder how we can half this and keep it fair. Let's see. Wow, so what is half of 6? What have they got each? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So they have 3 pears each, which means half of 6 is 3. Well done. Do you notice anything interesting about halves so far? Don't worry if you haven't. Keep thinking and keep watching. So today they've collected some peaches, yummy and juicy peaches. I wonder how many they collected. They collected 1, 2. How do we split this in half? Do you want to have a little guess before I do it? Okay, let's see if you're right. So if you said that half of 2 was 1 and that they would get 1 peach each, then you're absolutely right. Well done. Notice how they both get the same amount. So today they've collected 8 bananas. So let's just check that we've got 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's see. What do you think half of 8 might be? Let's check and see, boys and girls. Yes, they get 4 bananas each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Has anybody noticed the wee pattern here? We've been doing lots about doubles this week. Is there any connection? Yeah, look. Double 4 is 8 and half of 8 is 4. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, now I've got a little bit of a challenge for you. Okay, Penny and Jenny have half each already. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 5 oranges each. But they have decided to put them back into one whole group and give them to Sydney Snake. They have felt so full up with all their fruit, so they thought they would share all of it with Sydney Snake. So I wonder how many oranges will Sydney Snake be left with? So remember what I was saying before about how if we double 5, then we'll get the answer. So what do you think? So they've got 5 each and we're going to double it. So how many will Sydney Snake get? Okay, so if you know your doubles facts for this, then you'll know it straight away. Okay, so let's see if you're right. We're going to move it back over. Wow, look at that. How kind are Penny and Jenny? They have just given Sydney Snake double 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now he has 10 oranges. So when we put the two halves together, we get one whole. Fantastic. So well done if you were able to do that with me, boys and girls. Now you can move on to your halves activity.